Welcome to the second section of this mysql database. And in this section we are going to see about core component. One is that TCL, that is transaction control language. The other one is data control language. And then the other concept is about to drop a database and then update database. So these are the things we are going to discuss about in this section. First we will see about the transaction control language section. In this transaction control language section is going to discuss about information about commit, rollback and save point components. For this commit program, you can see the command here we are using mysql commit. If it is a false, it won't run this program. If it is true, then it will run this two options of including two data to the database. So for this is what we are going to include commit functions for this mysql by using this code. And this code is going to open a database of SSK with the user root and password root, and in the system that is the localhost is a server we are going to use it. And then if it is not connected, it will say, it will give an error. If it is connected, it will insert these two values. Now we will run the commit file which is available in this SQL database. And you can see now this is a commit file, and here we changed the password. As I already said, we removed the password, so there is no password for that. Otherwise the data are similar, and here also we changed the information because we included 6 data already. So we included this, and this is a 7 and 8 data. So now we are going to run this commit command. This file is going to be run. Okay, so the commit function is carried out, and to check whether the commit function is carried out correctly, we will see the file select, run the program select, and you can check already we added 6 data. Now you can see the 7th and 8th data is also included in the database. So it clearly indicates that commit is working now. Okay, so now next we will go to the other database language, that is data control language option. And through this language we will allot permission to any user. So here we are going to permit for a user SS to handle this particular database. So for this only this code is functioning now. So we are going to collect all the data, and then by collecting all this data from this SS, we are going to create SS at localhost user, and then it is allow this user to utilize this particular database with full grant. So for this only this data control language syntax are used to provide permission to a particular database. So now we are going to run this program file to provide permission to SS at localhost. So there is a file here, you can call it as the grant file. So it has information as I showed in the Word file. Now we are going to run this grant file to provide permission to a particular user. And now you can see full permission is granted to the user SS. So this is how you can provide permission to a particular user by using this mysql databases. And in addition to this, we may have few other programs, that is we can update the data which is already present in the database by using the update PHP file. And if you want to see the file, you can see the update file here. This update file, what we did is we changed the marks. Where it is 100, it is now changed to 97. So that is what the update we carried out to the database SS by using this update command. You can see now the select PHP command is used to find out whether the change is made correctly. And you can see this Already if you see in the previous case, there will be a mark of 100 to Siva. Now it is reduced to 297. So this is how we can do it. And similarly, there is a program known as order. So you can order the box like that. You can do it by using this MySQL program. See, here we are going to order the files depending upon the mark 80. So those who are getting marks above 80, that is greater than 80, they are get ordered by running this file, and we are getting that output of the file. It is also get printed out. So this is what the program which will select the database SSK, and from the database it gets the datas, and from this datas are placed in this variable query, and then that variable is used to print all the informations by using the command known as mysql fetch. So this is the command which is going to get the informations from the databases, and it is printed by using the variables using this name, rich member class, and this one by one. So it is a, here we are using while loop. So while loop is used to print the data which is available from the table SS by using MySQL, PHP, and HTML link. Here we are going to order the output of the file. See now, the first person is 85, second one is 88, and third one is 90, 95, and 97. So this is how we can order the programs by using this PHP. Okay, next one is we can drop any database. If you want to drop any database, so we can also do that. So for that, there is a drop database syntax to be used, and then we can, now we are going to drop this database SSK, and then once it is dropped, we will get a message like this. So now we will drop the database. So now we can see the SSK database is dropped. So if you want to confirm the database is dropped or not, you can simply type the select command, and now you see nothing is obtained from this select because there is no SSK. So database is not available. So it is not getting or giving any information. So this is how we can use this MySQL to store data, to create table, to insert data to the table, to retrieve data, to provide permission, to provide commitment, to change the data, and we can drop the table and create the database. You can create the table by using this MySQL. So with this, we conclude the MySQL section. Thank you.